let's wait and see whether he's going to join again.
As the call pleases.
Yes. Mr. Menka? Mr. Menka? Mr. Menka? Mr. Menka? Nisoko, I can see him now, but I can't hear him again.
I can't even see him at all again.
I saw him earlier, but he has disappeared.
I told him to send a chat.
Okay.
And I just saw his chat. He said he's for the defendant, but I don't know why I can't see him here.
Okay, for the defendant. Okay, let me record him. And he's the one to start, isn't it?
My lord?
I said he's the one to start.
Yes, he's the one to start.
Well, Mr. Amenka, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. You are muted. We can't hear you. You can now talk.
Okay, my lord. A.O. Omega is my name.
Okay, thank you.
Acting Director, Civil Litigation from the Ministry of Justice, Makurdi.
Thank you.
O. Omenka.
Yes, Acting Director,
Civil Litigation.
Civil Litigation. You're
Yes,
welcome.
my lord. Yes, my lord. For all the defendants.
Okay, that's MOJ.
Minister of Justice, Makurdi, Benue State.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, my lord. Okay, yeah.
So, Mr. Menka, the matter is for adoption of final written address.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
We are ready.
The matter, it came up on Friday.
Yes, my lord.
But none of you from the ministry has joined. And
My lord,
the motion filed by Ms. Oko motion for substitution and extension of time to file her final address was granted.
Yes, my lord. Okay, my lord.
So we today for adoption of the final written addresses.
Yes, my lord.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, my lord.
Yes, can you hear me?
I'm hearing you, my lord.
Okay, you can go on.
Okay. My lord, our written address, final written address.
Yes. Yes. It's filed. It's dated 27th of January. Dated 27th January 2020. But filed on the 28th January 2020.
My lord?
So, Amenka, I can hear you.
Okay, we adopt same as our position and argument in this matter, my lord.
Okay.
In urging my lord to dismiss the matter, the issue, the suit, my lord.
Yes. Yes. But Mr. Amenka,
My lord.
I said the appointment letter given to the claimant is reading 1977, isn't it?
My lord, we don't believe on that appointment letter. That is what they said. But the upper form that the claimant filled herself with her hand, he wrote 1973, my lord. That is bit before the court.
And can the upper form and the leave form, can they override the subsequent appointment letter issued?
Yes, my lord. Because there are issues. We doubt the authenticity of those documents, my lord.
Okay, so okay.
The handwriting of the claimant herself for the period of 5 years. He was writing the same thing, and all of a sudden he woke up from slumber.
As a student nurse.
My lord.
As a student nurse.
Yes, my lord.
But she was a midwife now, isn't it? Or it's the same thing?
My lord.
I say, as she started as a student nurse, ba?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, it's okay.
My lord.
Okay, let me hear from Oko.
Okay, my lord.
Thank you.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Miss Oko.
Yes, my lord. The claimant's final written address is dated the 4th day of February 2020.
Yes.
And filed on 6th day of February 2020.
Yes.
Claim was deemed as properly filed on the 14th of March 2025.
Yes.
My lord, we adopt the said written address, the final address.
Yes.
As our argument, in urging the Honorable Court to grant all the reliefs as prayed by the claimant.
Okay.
My lord, you have referred your lordship to the case of FMC Ido Ekiti and others versus Olajide. The citations are in the written address where the Court of Appeal held that the letter of appointment must be resorted to in considering and determining the rights and obligations of parties, and not upper form as is being submitted by defendant's counsel.
Okay,
Although
okay.
the upper forms.
What the name of the case? Name of the case.
My lord?
The name of the case.
Is Christian. My lord? The name of the case is FMC Ido Ekiti and others versus Ola.
Ado Ekiti versus who?
Very good.
FMC Ado Ekiti. She'll come back. We missed her, but she'll come back.
Okay, my lord.
Yes. Mr. Omenka, how is the ministry?
We thank God. God is helping us, my lord.
I've learned that so many people have retired, huh?
Yes, my lord.
The Solicitor General.
My lord.
Again,
he has retired, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Okande has been elevated.
Yes, my lord.
And Elrum has retired.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. DDDL.
DDL. Yes, my lord.
Okay, it's retired. What
Yes,
about DCR, former DCR, Abasi? Is it Agbasi?
Agbese. No, yes,
Agbasi.
that's not.
Okay, still there.
It's still in service, my lord.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Then who again?
Abeshima,
Yes, yes.
she has retired.
Okay, she has tried. Wow.
Yes, my lord.
Wow.
Yes, my lord.
Wow. Hmm. Okay.
How is
I wish
Akwa Ibom?
it's okay, it's fine.
Oh, thank God, sir.
Yes. Hey, Mrs. Okon, you're welcome back. Oh, you are muted. And you're welcome back.
Thank you, my lord.
So you are citing the case of FMC Aroikiti and who?
And Olajide,
Yes.
it is 2011 reported in LPELR
Yes.
4150, page 33, paragraph A to B. My lord, the controversy in this case is what the court sought to resolve in this judgment when it stated that the letter of employment.
Oh, sorry, paragraph 3.
Paragraph A to B.
A.
A to B, sir.
Okay. That the document to look at what is on this kind of issue is the employment letter.
Yes, my lord, the letter of employment must be resorted to. My lord, even
if there are other documents.
Yes, my lord. In this case, my lord, the defendants had in different documents which emanated from them indicated that the date of employment is 1977.
That's
to
that's from the employment letter, ba?
Exhibit CIY 18. Yes, my lord. The employment letter is CIY 1. Exhibit CIY 1.
Yes, but from the document they have brought, that is the the upper form, they are saying that what the claimant has been or had been writing as a date of first appointment was 1973. So can the court look at all the documents and come up with this resolution, or you just look at one document?
No, my lord, it's not just one document. There are documents that emanated from the defendants, and we refer your lordship to them, which were tendered and admitted in evidence, and they were not controverted by the defendants. Exhibit CIY 18, CIY 19, CIY 20, and especially Exhibit CIY 5, my lord. These were documents that were issued to the claimants by the defendant, stating the year of appointment, of our first appointment as 1977, my lord.
Okay, those exhibits are what? What are they?
Those exhibits, my lord, they are letter of pensionable appointments. CIY 5, my lord, is approval of voluntary retirement from service, which is from, yes, my lord.
Okay.
CIY 20. My lord, it is offer of promotion in 1986. And
yes.
the defendant quoted the claimant's date of first appointment, 1977, my lord.
Okay. Okay.
My lord, the pension ID card, which we also tendered, also the date as 1977, which were issued by the defendants, my lord.
Okay.
Even the upper forms, my lord, the claimants had filled 1977 in more than documents that it was filled in as 1973. And those documents that are in the upper forms showing 1973, my lord, they were filled long after the claimant had graduated school.
Yes, yes.
The claimant, specifically in her evidence in chief, said she made so many mistakes. And my lord, the upper forms would show that it was actually they were actually mistakes, because in several of the forms, she filled 1977 as her date of first appointment.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, the documents that brought about the controversy is Exhibit HOS2, which decided to resolve the issues as to when the defendants will reckon as date of first appointment. They said some nurses were issued with 2 appointment letters, and those 2 appointment letters, the first one is the one that the defendants will reckon as to determine the first appointment. But
which
in the case of the
which case was that?
Exhibit HOS2.
Okay.
This is the document that defined the status of every nurse that is under the employment of the defendant. And the claimant had stated clearly that the only appointment letter that was given to her was the one given in 1977. And the defendant witness under cross-examination could not tender any other letter.
Okay, but in the case of other nurses, two appointment letters were tendered, were issued?
Yes, my lord. 2 appointment letters were issued. One was issued at the time of entering the School of Nursing, while another was issued at the conclusion of the training. But in the case of the claimant,
it's only one appointment.
Yes, it was only one appointment letter, and it was issued after she had finished her midwifery studies in Plateau State, not in Benue State. And the letter clearly stated that those that have concluded their training in another state would not be affected by Exhibit HOS2. She concluded in Benue, in Plateau State, and then was given an appointment as a staff midwife, not as a nurse, my lord. She was not a qualified nurse. She was a staff midwife. She was trained as a midwife, and was employed as a staff midwife and not a nurse. So, my lord, Exhibit HOS2 does not in any way bound the claimant.
Okay. Okay. What's the exhibit? Exhibit what?
Exhibit HOS2.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, Exhibit HOS2 is the same document that was considered by this court sitting in the case of Jane Echo, which we attached in support of our case. Exhibit HOS2 is the same as Exhibit DW1A in that case. And the court held that since the defendant could not produce any other letter of appointment, which they claim to have given the claimant, the only letter of appointment the court recognized was the one issued to the claimant, which was not disputed by the defendant. And it is the same fact as this instant case, sir.
Okay.
Judgment was given in favor of the claimant in that case. Exhibit HOS2, which is the same as Exhibit DW1 in that case, was held not to be binding on the claimant.
Okay. It's okay. Yes.
My lord, the claimant also gave evidence in support of the fact that she was a private student and she was not in attendance at School of Nursing and Midwifery until 1983. The government only trained her in School of Nursing and Midwifery in 1983, and she was issued with any other letter of appointment. She had finished as midwife training in 1977 and was given appointment in 1977. There is no record. Even the CW, the defendant witness even testified that there is no name as the maiden name of the claimant in any of the records of the defendants. The claimant was going through her training as a spinster, and she was employed as a married woman with the name Ideni. The name she had in her certificate of completion of program is Alonyenu, which the defendant witness admitted that they did not know such a person between 1973 and 1977, my lord.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
And the defendant witness also admitted that he is not above mistakes. The claimant, having made mistakes in filling the forms that were given to her, the ones that were favorable to the defendant could not be used to determine her years, her year of first appointment.
Yes.
My Lord, the claimant is entitled to her right to dignity. She has been ill-treated by the defendant based on the erroneous computation of her retirement benefits. And she also testified and tendered exhibit CIY 12A and
Thank you.
Who next one?
Yes, Mr. Oko, you can, Mr. Oko, can you hear me?
my Lord.
Administration cannot take the
My Lord.
Sorry, Mr. Oko.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, all these things are contained in your address bar.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay. Okay.
My Lord, this particular one, I want to refer my Lord to the case of Zaman versus the state, which has to do with the right to dignity of the claimant, which affected.
Right to dignity is at large now. It's a try to issue it.
As the court pleases.
It's a try to issue. Once somebody is denied his right to dignity, you can enforce it now.
The court pleases. My Lord, on the whole, we urge your Lordship to resolve all the issues in favor of the claimant.
Okay.
And in line with the decision of this court, which is similar to this case, in the case of Mrs. Echo Ada Jane and head of service, Benue State, and 3 others, to uphold the judgment of the court and grant the reliefs as prayed.
Okay.
Most obliged, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my Lord.
So I will communicate the date for judgment to you. via Zoom.
As a
I
copy.
I hope Ms. Oko, you have Ms. Omenka's phone number. Ba?
I don't, but I will communicate with Mrs. Suma in case she might have it.
Yeah, so that when the link is sent to one of you, we can send it to the other in case the other doesn't get it.
Okay, my lord, I will find out if I can get his number.
Please.
Yes, my lord.
So that when we send we're going to send the link to Suma. So for onward transmission to you.
Yes.
So cases adjourned to a date to be communicated to council via Zoom for judgment.
As the court pleases.
And
My lord,
Mr. Amenka has we have lost him, huh?
yes, my lord, I can't see him anymore.
But I don't know whether he's going to be back again. Mr. Amenka? Mr. Amenka? Mr. Amenka?
Okay.
My lord, I'm with you, my lord.
Hey, Mr. Amenka, I said she's done with her address, so I'm going to adjourn for judgment. For a date to be communicated to you.
As God please.
But what I'm saying is that whether she has your phone number, so that does
Yes,
Mrs.
my lord.
have your phone number?
My lord, he can just call it out.
Mr. Amenka should call out your phone number so that in case it's sent to her, she can forward the link to you.
Yes, my Okay. 080 080
Yes, can you hear him, Mr.
2
Yes, my lord.
606
Eh?
5047.
Sorry, you can't hear you. Yes, we can hear you.
080, my lord. My lord, are you hearing?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Okay, 080
Yes.
2
Uh-huh.
606
Uh-huh.
5047. That's my WhatsApp number, sir.
Okay. 2.
I said 0802 606 5047.
I got it, my lord.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Omenka, thank you so much. Hello, Mr. Omenka.
Thank you, my lord.
Okay, thank you so much. So till you hear from us about the link.
I'm with you, my lord.
Thank you. So my regards to the ministry, please.
Okay, my lord.
Thank you. Mr. Oko.
Oh, yeah, my lord. I wish you the best.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Oko, that will be all for today, Mr. Oko. Hello, Mr. Oko, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, let me say bye for now. Thank you. Till we meet.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord. I wish you the best. Mm.
You don't finish.
I don't finish. Why this lady?
And you are free connected.
Yeah.
Not back to
We bucket it yourself. Somebody.